Hey guys, it's me Delta1 here with Airsoft Talk, and I have an unboxing from Watchalewknat. So, let's open this up. Okay, that knife doesn't do that anymore. I tightened it. Anyways, I ordered this from Watchalewknat because I wanted it, and I traded him some stuff and some monies. So, and you're probably going to be like, what? Not really, maybe. A little bit, half cup? I don't know. You decide. I don't like it. I hate it. Why is there packing paper? Cardboard boxes, crap. Alrighty. I honestly am excited for this one. Alright. Here we go. Almost there. Looks like we gotta get that knife action going on again. Okay, found the slit. So I can now cut that. Some unusual black duct tape. Alrighty. I like grocery bags. Alright, put this off to the side. A chalk cover. We have a drum magazine, which feels like there's something inside of it. We'll look at that later. Is the drum mag broken? No, it's just cast molding. Okay. We have a top cover. We have a weird AK front end bipod for the front end, which is messed up apparently. We'll fix that in a minute, or see if I can fix it. And then we have rear of the RPK. Alright, and we have a Sky LiPo that is almost broken. Then we have the front end, front side or whatever. The screws and all that. And the pressure switch. Awesome. So I'm going to assemble this real quick and then show you what I got. So I got it assembled. It's a monster. It's got a front plastic truncheon assembly. It's just a monster. That's what this is. And originally I thought this was a full-length RPK barrel. It's not, unfortunately. It's got this weird freaking retarded gas tube. And it's got a SRC RPK stock. What I'll probably end up doing is parting this out and making some monster gun. But you're going to see either this or the monster gun that will come out of it. We're going to go for 25 to 20 rounds per second at 550. Just because I can, and I have enough parts to do it with, so that'll be fun, yet interesting at the same time. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more unboxings and all that other good stuff, and there's another RPK to put on the wall.